Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, you may notice I'm in a different place. I'm in my new car. So I'm very excited. I recently got my first car and today we're going to be doing a grocery haul video, but on a budget. So I'm going to try to stick to $50 to buy all my groceries for the week. I do have most of the staple items at home. Like I do have rice, I have lentils, I have some frozen veg and frozen fruit. I also have like oats and peanut butter. So I don't have to buy everything, and I'm not going to be only eating the things I buy in this haul. But this is going to be my week's worth of groceries, and so I'm gonna do some meal prep with this. This video is just gonna be the grocery haul, but I will try film my meal prep for the week as well, and that will be a video coming up. So make sure to be subscribed and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified of when that next video pops up. I hope you guys are all safe and well. I'm gonna drive now to ALDI and I'll see you guys there. Bye. So here we are at ALDI. They actually had a really good selection of fresh vegetables today. I've been to a different ALDI in the past and they weren't as good, but this one was really good. So I got some onion, some sweet potato you can see there. Then I went over to the cold area and I got some tofu. This is actually a really good brand of tofu. I highly recommend this brand if you have it available in your ALDI. It's really good. And then I saw these Alpro chocolate dessert things and I was really intrigued and I was going to buy it, but then I was like, I can kind of make that myself at home. Like I usually use just plain yogurt with some cocoa powder and protein powder, so I didn't really need to buy it. So I didn't end up buying it, but it looks good and I'll probably get it next time. I also got some soy sauce because we ran out of that at home, as well as some frozen spinach. And I found this plant-based beef mince, which I wanted to try out because I've never tried it before. So obviously I'll let you know how that goes in my next video. But I grabbed one of those, and then now it's time to check out. I will show you all the specifics when we get home. Alright, so I'm back home, obviously, and this is all the stuff I got from ALDI. So I did end up getting some cat litter and some cleaning products on top of my grocery haul. So that kind of lifted up the price a bit, and I think the final total was about $64. But if I didn't buy the cleaning stuff, it would have been under $50. So the cleaning stuff, like I don't really need to go through that, and cat litter, so that's all in this bag. Let's just leave that. As for the food, here is my cold stuff. So I got some of these barbecue mushrooms because I want to make like roast mushrooms or maybe even barbecue mushrooms one day to have with tofu scramble. So I did buy a lot of tofu. I actually ended up getting 3 blocks because I want to make a curry with tofu, a stir fry with tofu, and a tofu scramble for a couple of lunches throughout the week. So I've got 3 blocks of tofu there. I also got 2 avocados, one for having with the Mexican dish, which I will talk about later, and one to have with like a tofu scramble. So I got this frozen spinach, and that's to make a spinach curry. So if you watch, I think it was my first grocery haul ever, I have a spinach curry in that video and it was so good, and I haven't made it in a while, so I'm really keen to make it again. It's like an Indian style palak paneer, but with tofu instead of paneer. So that's really good. But then, so that's one of the meals I'm gonna make, which is an Indian curry. The second meal I'm gonna make is a Mexican style kind of bowl thing. So I bought some of this vegan mincemeat and I'm gonna use that to make like a burrito, like chili style thing. And then I'm gonna serve that with some sweet potatoes. So I bought 3 kind of medium-sized sweet potatoes. So I'll use one of these for each of the serves of the Mexican dish. And I bought 2, no, did I buy 2? Yes. I bought 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I'm gonna use one of them in the Mexican beans and also one of them in the spinach curry. I also got a can of coconut milk to add into the spinach curry. I got some frozen mixed vegetables because they were pretty cheap and I want to make a stir fry. I'm probably going to make that tonight. Just like a nice little stir fry. And then these tomatoes, I got them to roast up with the mushrooms to have with scrambled tofu one day, but also I'm going to put some of them in with the Mexican bean dish. Then I just got an onion that's also going in with like the Mexican bean stuff, but I'll probably also use half of it with the curry. Then in this little bag, I'm trying to be more eco-friendly and use more reusable bags where possible. So I remembered to bring mine today. I'm really happy about that. I got 2 capsicums. I'm going to use them in the Mexican style thing. So it's going to be like a fajita, like burrito bowl-esque thing with sweet potato, basically. It'll be nice. It'll be good. And then we were running out of soy sauce, so I did pick up some soy sauce just for my stir fry. And then finally I have a zucchini in this little reusable bag, and I think I'm going to use that in the stir fry, or even just like to have at some stage. I felt like a zucchini, so I got a zucchini. So that is everything I got. If I look at the bill, so yes, the bill came to $64, but I spent $15, $16, $17, $18 on like cleaning stuff and the cat litter. So 64 minus 18 is like $46. So I spent well under $50 here, and obviously, like, I don't have, like, this is kind of the things that I add on to my staples. So if you look at my cupboard, I have rice, which I'm obviously going to use for the stir fry and for the curry, but I didn't need to buy that, so I have heaps at home. Like, we also have oats. There's actually not that many oats here, but we do have like more to refill it. So we have heaps of oats. I have heaps of peanut butter. This is my favorite peanut butter. I get this from Woolies. It's the 100% nuts bigger peanut butter. And then I have things like cocoa powder that I use a lot. I have protein powder. So yeah, I've got all of the staples at home already. So obviously that's not included in this like budget-friendly meal haul, but still I did want to go to Aldi. And for example, things like stir-fry veg, it's a really great option. You know, if you're going to be making a stir-fry, it's so much cheaper to just buy a bag of frozen veg than to go out and buy all the individual things. And obviously it's also a lot quicker and easier to make, which is always nice. But obviously fresh veggies do taste better, and it's better for the environment if you can get fresh veggies and, you know, use your reusable produce bags instead of having the plastic. But it is a good option every now and then if you are tight on cash. And as I mentioned before, I recently did purchase my first car, which I'm really excited about, but it does mean that I have a bit less funds available for everyday use, and I'm trying to stick to a slightly stricter budget in terms of buying foods. And I'm still going to continue to invest in healthy foods because I believe that someone actually commented this in one of my previous videos where I did talk a little bit about, you know, investing in your own health. And it's so true that if you invest the money now, that's gonna prevent you from having to spend thousands of dollars later on medical bills if you are not taking care of yourself in the now. So I definitely do believe in investing in your health, and a massive part of that is eating healthy foods and nourishing your body. So I still intend to definitely invest money in my health, but I just wanted to show you some things that I picked up from Aldi today that are pretty budget friendly. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little grocery haul. I will see you in the next video. I am going to be filming some of the meals I make with this food. So please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification if you want to be notified when that new video pops up. I hope you guys are all safe and well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.